How to use ChatGPT? Step 1. Start by greeting ChatGPT with a friendly greeting or hello. This helps to initiate the conversation and create a friendly tone. Step 2. Be clear and concise in your questions or statements. Avoid using complex or technical language that may confuse ChatGPT. Step 3. Use simple language and avoid abbreviations or jargon that ChatGPT may not understand. Step 4. Provide context and relevant information to ChatGPT. This will help it understand the context of your question or statement and provide a more accurate response. Step 4. Be patient with ChatGPT. It may take a few seconds to generate a response, especially if your question or statement is complex. Step 6. Avoid sending multiple messages at once, as this can overload ChatGPT and lead to errors. Finally, if you need more detailed information or clarification, ask ChatGPT specific questions. This will help it provide a more accurate response.